Hi guys, today we are going to see about the quadratic equation. But before that I want to request you people that don't forget to subscribe my channel because it is totally free and you will get very useful videos which will be very helpful in your studies. Okay, let's come to the point again. Quadratic equation, and here we can see ax plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the form of quadratic equation, and this quadratic equation, we have a, b and c. This could be any integers, a, b or c. Okay, so here we can solve this equation with the help of this formula, quadratic formula. This here, x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac over 2a, I mean divided by 2a. So this is the formula to find solve quadratic equation. We can also do solve the quadratic equation in other way, which is called completing the square. We'll see later on, but here first we are going to solve this equation with the help of this formula. And here we have x square minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here we have to know a, b and c. Here a is just 1, x square. Here we have to understand 1 here, very horrible 1 here in front of x, and there is no any sign. That means we have to understand positive 1, plus 1. I'm just, if there was like minus x square minus 4x, so in this condition a is minus 1. Okay guys, so a is minus 1 in this case, but we'll see this case now. There's just an example. So here a is 1. What is b? B is minus 4, right? And c is minus 2. So now we know a, b and c, and we have to just put this value a, b, c in this formula. Okay guys, we know the formula that x is equal to something minus b plus minus something. Okay guys, by substituting the value, by replacing just value, we have just substitute the value of a, b, c in this formula, and we have this one. Okay, and now in next step is like here minus and minus, this is plus. Okay guys, so minus and minus is just plus 4, no need to write the plus sign, and here plus minus remains the same, and under this root over we have 4 times 4 minus 4 times 4, that is minus 4 square means 16, and this minus will come here, and so inside the bracket 4 times, yeah, it is like 4 times 1 is, so this inside this bracket here minus 2. We should not forget the sign minus 2 in front of, because c is minus 2. That's why 4 times 1 is 4, and minus 2 gives minus 8, right? So minus 8 by 2 times 2. So this is just like 4 plus minus the 16 minus minus plus. So that means 16 plus 16 plus it is 24, right? So by 2. So this is x is equal to 2. So here now let's do it here. So this can be like this: x is equal to 4 plus root over 24 by 2, or x is equal to 4 minus root over 24 by 2. So this plus minus means here we get x1. We have to find x1 and x2, two values of x. So in first case we get like 4.45. x2 is minus 0.449. So guys, this 4.45 and g minus 0.44, these are three significant figures. Okay guys, three significant figures. In three significant figures, I mean, we can get in calculator, we can see 4.45 and go on, and minus 0.449, and it goes on here. But we have to write only like 2 or 3 significant figures, something like that. So the answers are 4.45 and minus 0.449. So this is all about quadratic equation with this formula, quadratic formula. So we are going to see also about the other method, completing the square. So with the help of this method also we can solve the quadratic equation. So let's go to that also. Okay guys, completing the square. Here we have the same equation, x square minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0, and we are going to solve this equation with the help of this method, completing the square. Now here let's go to the second step. X square minus 4x is equal to 2. Taking this to that side becomes positive, or we just add to both the sides, so we get this x square minus 4x is equal to 2. So now here we have to focus here x square minus 4, we have to just divide that by 2, I mean half, make it half. So when we make that half, we get 2. If in place of 4, if there was like 8, we should just divide by 2 and we would get 4, like this. But anyway, minus, I mean 4, there is 4, so just divide by 2, we get 2, right? We have 2, and again we have to square this 2. When we square this 2, we get 4. So we have to add this for both the side in next step. Here x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 4. Adding this 4 both the side, right? So here this here x square minus 4x plus 4, this can be written as x minus 2, right? Square is equal to 6. So 6, right? So or x minus 2 is equal to root over 6, because we remove this square from here. So that means, so here we are going to now, okay, sorry guys, here should be plus or minus here. So now this is like x is equal to plus minus root over 6. You add to both the side, or you just take these to this side. So when we take minus 2 that side, so it becomes plus, positive. Okay, this means now here we have x is equal to plus means no need to write plus. Okay, let's write to understand it. 6 plus 2 is x1 and x2 minus here 6 plus 2, and here we get 4.45. if we put this thing in calculator, minus 0.449. So we have same answer, right? Here 4.45 negative 0.449. So this way we can solve the quadratic equation either after two methods, like completing square or by using the quadratic formula. Okay guys, hope this video will help you much and much in your studies. If you are in doubt, just pause it, stop it, or see it again and again. I hope that will definitely help in your study. And once again, don't forget to subscribe it. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.